As one of the most meaningful elements, the intimacy between pets and human beings makes our life much better. How can we provide effective product support for the intimate relationship between people and their pets? To meet the requirements of both you, your kitty, and yourself, our cat litter box, Poop Cube, is the best choice. The enclosed design of our cat litter box can make sure the effective use of the space and odors isolation for customers. The lift-off pedal will bring more convenience to the owner and help to collect the falling litter at the same time. The smooth and sharp shovel guarantees that the sticky clump at the bottom will be cleaned up immediately. The cleaning kit that comes with the cat litter box will help you clean up the scattered cat litter quickly. Furthermore, the sliding snaps on both sides make sure that the bottom basin could be removed easily when cleaning. A variety of opening methods for Poop Cube will bring both the owner and the cat a wonderful life.
We used to work at an architecture firm, and we both cat owners. So from architect's view, we see much space for improvement in pet products. So that's why we quit and start this project.
We have spent almost a year perfecting the details of Poop Cube, and now we need your help. Please help this cat litter box come to reality and enjoy intimate time with your pet at home together with Poop Cube.